Good evening, everyone. So, welcome back to the new lab session of Microsoft Excel. So, in this lab, we'll see that suppose if you are provided a student name list or employee name list with their date of birth and you want to know the current age. Okay. So, in Excel, there is a formula or function known as Datedif. So, using Datedif, you can easily get the current age of a student or employee or any given date. Okay, so how to use it? So you can simply write here equal to dated if you have to choose the date, use the comma. Now you need to know the current age, so you have to write today's function to get the current date and capital Y or small y, it depends on you. So if you use capital Y, that means you want to get the year, number of what is the total number of years or what is the current age in year format, you can simply put y. So just close it and hit enter. You'll get the age of or the current age of that student. Okay, so if I click or if I hit enter, you see age is 30. Similarly, just copy test, it is 22. Similarly, go down and you will get the respective age. Okay, so using this data formula, not only you can get the age of student or employee, if you are provided date of joining, so using this formula you can use and get that how many years employee has worked or the number of experience he has. So use this formula if you want to display the current age using this data diff, date of birth, current day, and y is the symbol for year, and you press enter, you will get the desired result. So try to practice it, and if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. So thank you very much.